When you first jump onto Kajabi, it's actually really normal to be overwhelmed. After all, it is your entire business on one platform. It's very involved. It has everything from your website to your payment processor, to your course hosting, to your membership site hosting, to your email marketing, and everything else in between. But it is simple to use, and that's why I want to tell you today about learn.kajabi.com, which is the place to go to when you get stuck. Now, this is actually day 29 of your first 30 days on Kajabi, where I've shown you what to do each day for your first 30 days on Kajabi. Today in day 29, I'm gonna show you where to go if you just get stuck and you're like, okay, I wanna do this, I can't figure out how, I don't know, it's not in the videos, where do I go? That's where we're gonna go today, learn.kajabi.com. I'm gonna show you what there is there. It's a really great tool to use. Before we get to that, I just wanna mention, you can get a free trial for 30 days, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. That's the perfect complement to these videos because you can start your free trial and you can go day by day through your first 30 days on Kajabi, this playlist, and have everything you need to hit the ground running. You also get my 3 exclusive bonuses. You get the masterclass, the top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make. You get the course, the Kajabi Accelerator course, and you get my 25K course launch email template. All of that is yours to say thank you for using my link because it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission. So lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Grow your business with Kajabi. So a couple months ago, I was in LA at the Kajabi Hero Live conference, and I was talking to some people who work at Kajabi, and I got into a conversation with someone who does onboarding. This is the person who's responsible for the process of getting new people onto Kajabi and successful on the platform. And I was telling him, hey, I've promoted Kajabi so much that 500 people currently are on Kajabi and active who have gone through my link to get there. So I said, it's really important to me to help these people get successful on the platform, to find their way around, to learn how everything works, to set their business up, and to get making money as fast as possible because I want them to be successful, not only on Kajabi, but I want them to be successful in online business, and Kajabi just happens to be the best tool to do that. So I said, what is your experience working with these people who are coming in? What is the biggest challenge to onboarding? And so he told me, he said, here is the issue. The issue is that we offer an onboarding call to every person who signs up for Kajabi, but only about 30% of people actually take us up on doing that call. I said, you gotta be kidding me. Why would they not do that? I want to make it as accessible and easy as possible for you to be convinced that doing the onboarding call is for you. So I asked him, I said, can I do a mock onboarding call with one of the people at Kajabi who does these calls every day so that I can better explain to my audience what happens on a call? He said, sure. So we set that up. We did the call. I recorded the call. I lost the recording, or it didn't render. We finished and it just disappeared. So I don't actually have the call, but I can walk you through exactly what we did on that call and how you can sign up as well. So on learn.kajabi.com, you'll go down here to onboarding. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you're gonna start here. If you're an intermediate, you're gonna start here. So this is building your business. If you're advanced, you're gonna go over here to marketing your business. So for us, we're gonna start here at beginner. So this right here is on the call. This is where they are going to take you so that you deserve a business you always dreamed of. Learn with confidence and clarity. So in this table of contents, there's 14 areas that they're going to take you through depending on what you specifically need. So let's just say that you need help validating your idea. You're like, I have an idea, but I'm not quite sure if this idea is market ready. You're gonna go here and they're gonna walk you through some of these questions. There's a video here that you can watch which kind of introduces you to it. They use an example of validating your idea, how to validate it, selecting a social media platform. I mean, this is really, really good stuff, right? There's even frequently asked questions like, what if I don't use any social media? What do I do? How do I choose the right topics for my mini course survey? All of that is there. Let's say you know your idea validation. You can go down here to building a wait list. How do I build a wait list? You can go to creating a product. How do I start creating my product? So you can do this in a self-taught way. If you still don't want to do the call, that's fine. You can just go to learn.kajabi.com and walk through each one of these amazing resources. So that is under beginner. Now, I do want to mention before we go too far, how to schedule your onboarding call if you want to do this. So a great first step would be to join their weekly live Q&A. It's at 11 Pacific every week, and you can register for free clicking this button here. And when you first sign up, they're going to send you an email inviting you to schedule the onboarding call, and you can schedule that. Just look for the email that says schedule your onboarding call. So that is pretty amazing. Now, if you're already building your business or more advanced marketing your business, you can click on those and see what they have. I want to mention there's also training webinars that are really good. 7 prompts to profit, Kajabi payments, setup and onboarding, monetizing the gram, Instagram, I think is what that is, free guides and downloads. So this is pretty amazing. And then down here, the Creators Playbook podcast, if you just need to stay inspired. This is what I really love down here, the Help Center. For example, how to connect a custom domain. I get emails a lot of times from people who just signed up for Kajabi. They're on the platform and they're like, whoa, I'm stuck at this place where there's a domain that I want and Kajabi has a different one. What do? Well, it's actually very simple. And so I'll walk people through that process. I have videos on it. But if you just want a shortcut, learn.kajabi.com, you just scroll down there and then boom, there it is. And you can also search for it. So the thing to do would be to schedule your onboarding call and be sure to go to learn.kajabi.com. Now, I want to mention, if you are already on Kajabi, you kind of have it figured out, but you're just trying to figure out, how do I grow a business? How do I build it? How do I grow it? LaneSebring.com/workshop is the place to go. That is my Turn What You Know into Dough workshop. That is going to show you 4 steps, 4 essential steps to building your first $1,000 a month in income ongoing. That's all for free on demand. You can watch it right now today over at lanesebring.com/workshop. I'll see you tomorrow for day 30.